Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Avast Free Antivirus on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. By default on Windows 11, we have Windows Security application that will help you to monitor viruses, threats and other firewall protection. But if you need an antivirus program, then you can check out Avast Free Antivirus. To download Avast Free Antivirus, simply open any browser and search for Avast and open the link from avast.com. Don't worry about the download link. I'll put the download link in the description box. Simply open this link. So this is the official website from where you can download Avast Free Antivirus. For that, simply click on Download Free Protection and it will download an installer file. Simply open this installer file. So here we have our Avast installer window. Let me minimize the browser. So here we have our Avast Free Antivirus installation window. To install, first of all, select your language. So from the drop down menu, select your language. And if you want to customize your installation, simply click on Customize option. And here you can change your installation location. And here you can also choose your recommended protection, or you can also customize your protection. From the drop down menu, you can select minimal protection, recommended protection and custom protection. So if you want to enable or disable some of the feature, you can simply select custom protection and you can enable or disable any of this feature. After that, simply click on back. Avast Free Antivirus also comes with free Avast Secure Browser for safer and faster browsing. So if you want to install Avast Secure Browser, you can simply check these boxes. After that, simply click on this install button. And here you can see Avast Free Antivirus is installing on our Windows operating system. While it's installing, do not turn off your computer and wait for the installation process to complete. After it gets installed, you will get this kind of window. Here simply click on continue and here you can select your plan. So we are going with free plan. Simply click on continue with free. And if you want to run your first scan, simply click on run first scan. And here you can see it is scanning your computer. Here you can see that our scan is successfully completed. Here simply click on done. So this is the interface of Avast Free Antivirus. Here you will find your computer status. In protection tab, here you will find virus scan, core shield, quarantine, network inspector, ransomware shield and many more, which are missing on Windows security. Here on privacy tab, here you will find privacy related features such as hacker alert, password protection and other feature. And on performance tab, here you get do not disturb mode option and software updater. Beside this, if you want to add some other extra features to Avast Free Antivirus, then you can simply click on menu option. And here we have all the list of Avast product. So for example, if you want to install Avast Free VPN, then you can simply install Secure Line VPN, which is free but it will come with some limitations. Here we have our Secure Line VPN installation option. To install this free VPN, click on Install Now. Now let me give you an overview of Avast Secure Browser. Here you will get your Avast Secure Browser shortcut icon. If you don't get this icon here, you can simply search for Avast Secure Browser on the search option. So here we have our Avast Secure Browser. Simply open this application. Let me maximize the window. If you want some privacy while you are searching, then you can change your default search engine to DuckDuckGo. And if you want to import your settings, then you can check this option. After that, simply click on Finish Setup. And here we have our Avast Secure Browser. I'd also told you that Avast Secure Browser also comes with free VPN. If you had installed Avast Free VPN, then you can simply enable VPN option on Avast Browser. So that's it. This is how you can install Avast Free Antivirus and Avast Secure Browser on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.